A temporary legal victory for pro-Palestinian protesters. I have more on how a lawsuit filed by the state is now playing out. Since May, protesters against the war in Gaza have been demonstrating on the grass of the Capitol Mall. Now, as we previously reported, the group known as the People's Liberated University faces a lawsuit filed by the Idaho Department of Administration.
We filed a counter lawsuit alleging that the actions of the state police and the Department of Administration in seizing the property of the protesters and citing them and arresting them violated their First Amendment rights.
During the early days of the protests, the group was removed from the steps of the Capitol. According to Casey Parsons with the defense, forcefully.
This demonstration has been overwhelmingly peaceful. They've set up an ongoing demonstration that's been peaceful, that has been oriented towards educating the community and building a space where we can make issues like what's happening in Palestine visible and apparent to the people of Idaho.
The tents, according to the defense, are not actually used for camping, but used as a symbolic representation of tent cities in Palestine.
There's a significant amount of legal protection for engaging in around-the-clock tent city protests on the grounds of the Capitol Annex.
But the state argues otherwise, saying the demonstrators violate the state's camping and public land laws, arguing that the protesters have damaged grass, obstructed access and rights of way, and marked sidewalks. As the courts deliberate the fate of this lawsuit, both the state and the protesters filed competing injunctions. The judge denying the state's request, ruling in favor of the protesters, preventing the state of Idaho from removing tents or seizing property in the ongoing demonstrations, as long as they are not impacting maintenance or blocking access to state buildings. I reached out to the Department of Administration for a statement, but they declined to comment, citing ongoing litigation. Although an injunction has been placed in favor of the People's Liberated University, litigation in this case is still ongoing. I'm your downtown Boise neighborhood reporter, Riley Shoemaker for Idaho News 6.